Okay, YouTube. Did some work today on the car. That front bumper off. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take that front end off this thing too, so I can get it off frame. Got to sand it. I don't know what I'm gonna do about these doors. The doors pretty bad. I might just try to find me some new doors. Still gotta do the hood and the trunk. Body pretty straight on this car, man. That's what it looked like before. Look down the side of that car. Pretty straight. Pretty straight. Pretty straight, man. Pretty straight. I got a few dings and dents in it. This is my worst. Oh, this door is not as bad as the driver door. Not as bad. Got the mirrors off. Just a little short video. Something I did today, guys. Something I did today. I don't know. I'm thinking about deleting my AC heater. Don't run nothing in there. I don't know yet. If I do, I'm gonna take this stuff off the firewall, smooth the firewall. I'm thinking about if I'm gonna run heat and AC, I'm probably gonna get a Venture kit, like a universal kit or something to put in here. Yeah, coming along. Coming along. Got everything off. Yeah, YouTube. He's straight though. He's straight. Look at that driver door, man. That driver door pretty bad. Check it out. I don't know. I might get me some more doors. I'm gonna keep it inside now. I'm gonna get that back window out, back glass out, and I'm also front glass out. What my next job is to do next weekend, get all that out, and then finish getting the hood sanded and the trunk lid sanded. And the rest of the front of the car sanded. Yeah, YouTube, that's all I did today. Decided to shoot a little video where I'm at today. Not much done. I mean, well, I got a little bit done, but not a lot to talk about as far as the build. Yeah. All right, YouTube. I'll talk to you later.